In a small remote town, a young woman named Sarah hears strange whispers coming from behind a locked door in her grandmother's old house, igniting a chilling curiosity that leads her to uncover the horrors hidden within. As Sarah inches closer, her heart races with anticipation, and she can feel the cold air seeping through the cracks, beckoning her to uncover the secrets that have lain dormant for decades. Inside, she discovers remnants of her family's dark past, but as she turns to leave, a chilling sensation grips her, making her aware that she is not alone in this haunted space. Panic sets in as Sarah hears the whispers grow louder, a haunting echo that seems to call her name, forcing her to confront the malevolent force that has awakened. With the door shut tight, Sarah realizes she must face the entity that dwells within an ancient evil tied to her family, and the only way out is through unraveling the horrific truth hidden in the shadows. Desperately, Sarah opens the book hoping to find answers and a means of escape. But as she reads the incantation aloud, the room trembles with a supernatural force that threatens to consume her.